No.
Now it is.
It is?
It's recording now. No.
So it just went straight.
It could. Go give me some more. Get like 3 more. There's something that's not going right. Ooh, did you smell that dog shit?
Yeah.
I gotta go clean up the backyard. That's why I hate dogs. They poop. And don't wipe their ass. What type of animal don't wipe his own ass? Rabbits lick they butthole. Fucking cats. Oh, don't point that damn barrel at me.
I did. I was right here.
Yeah, I gotta learn how to not point the gun down. That's fucking crazy. 3 exactly. That's easy.
Okay, wait, nigga.
Put it on safety, yo.
What you gonna put it on safety for?
Now,
Oh,
cock
you
it
said you
back.
did.
Cock it back.
Wait, yeah, make sure the helmet is cocked back. Okay, it's already cocked back. Now shoot.
Straight.
Let me see.
Cock it all the way down. It's not turned.
Look, pay attention. Watch.
You just go straight.
Not curves.
Where?
Like the middle. Oh. You saw it? Did you see it?
It went straight.
No, it didn't.
Just do it again.
Give me some more. It's not gonna turn when it's coming out. It's gonna turn. It's gonna turn when it gets a certain length.
This pissed me off. Tell you when to stop. I stopped. Yeah, put it back in. Just leave the rest of it right now, man. Yeah.
Now look, I'm finna shoot. Look, both of y'all look
I'm
over
looking.
and follow the bullet.
Shoot up some more, so because you're going
I'm gonna hit somebody's house.
so.
Look, he's so far.
Nah, it curves a little bit.
I know you saw that.
No, straight. That time it did something.
It went up when
Where'd
the
it
gun's
go?
pointed straight. It went up
It went
Do it again.
while the gun pointed straight.
It don't come out. It went straight.
It went up and turned.
Right, nigga. You ain't paying
I
attention.
wasn't even recording,
you
man. I'm
fucking
tweaking.
goofball.
Copy.
Nah, I like how it went up though. That was smooth.
Making it turn corners is kind of hard.
Yeah, it turned a little bit.
It turned a lot, son.
That shit went all the way over there. And the fucking gun is pointed down and straight. That shit went.
It didn't go all the way. It
Went that way. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the car right now.
I do want to try to hit that car.
Yeah, I want you to.
Can I take a shot at the car?
We don't got no more bullets out.
Fuck its window up.
No, don't. We're not shooting no cars. I want to land one in a pool over there and scare the hell out of them. Then they can go start shooting at us for real.
Oh, that's the one who got the rifle.
Mm-hmm. Let's hit the house right behind us.
Do it if you got balls.
Ah, fuck this fool up.
Everybody get one. Everybody get.
Fuck it.
You get 2 shots. You get 1 shot. No, you get 2 shots. You get 2 shots. I just do it like that. I don't need another shot. Damn, where my? Oh shit.
What happened? You got jammed?
It's bullets that stuck up in the thing. So, yeah, just let it rip like speed racing.
Oh, look how I do it.
Wait, just hold together?
But look, the trick is when you hold it at the bottom, it's gonna do 3-round bursts. Put your finger at the top of the trick and let your finger slide down while you holding it.
Just like, whoop.
Right. No, don't put it up. Go. Okay, that's not.
It's only doing 3-round bursts.
Because it's not like you shot all the bullets out. You a dick, G.
I'm not a dick. You told me to let it rip.
I did.
Yeah, Charles, that was your.
That was your fault. You sent me dead the fuck off.
Oh, that.
Nah, this is how you let it rip while this shit.
I should do this because I'm prettier than you. I mean, yeah.
He said because I'm prettier than you.
Alright, I'm saying I want to do an upside down shot. You saw it?
It did like that.
Gotta do all that just hit things. You don't always go up and around.
Y'all keep skipping me. You know how mad that just made me?
You got 3 shots. You only shoot 3.
What we shooting to? Don't matter. What's this for if it's not a clip?
To put the tools in there. Play with the spinner.
I want to shoot up. Then again, I don't. Cause I don't want to
get me in trouble. Ooh, flies up. Gee, stop shooting like that over there.
I got you. I'm going to use one last shot, then we'll shoot it straight there. So we'll fall on.
Matter of fact, the last shot, we just gonna go after them.
Try to hit the pool.
Shoot right there. It's up. No, shoot right there. Go in the house. You shot a little bit. But ear. It's like, ah. Y'all too ignorant. Tom, look. These niggas been shot a little girl.